Hello, good day everyone. My name is Oluwashiman. This is the day 9 of the Stempedia AI and Robotics Python International Educators Bootcamp. Alright, so it's been amazing so far, and today what we are doing is a cancer prediction model using machine learning. Right, so with picture blocks, you can train models and let these models take actions based on whatever prediction or whatever training given to it. So today we are going to see how to use the picture block software to train machine learning models. So I'll click on file, and then under this option I will look for open ML model. Now if you are doing this for the first time, it's heavy and it's going to take you a whole long time. So I'm going to create a new project, and I'm going to call it cancer prediction prediction model, long cancer prediction model, long cancer prediction model. And we are going to enter description here. Using machine learning, we want to create a model that is able to detect a healthy and unhealthy lung. Okay, so let's stop here on healthy lung, on healthy and healthy lung. Okay, so now the project we want to do is an image classifier. So we are going to click on it, and then image classifier, click on it, and then click on create project, and then it's going to load up or create the project for us. Now from this you can see that it's asking us to uh, create our classes. So for the first class, we want to change the name to and call it healthy lungs. And for this second one, oh, now this is the one we want to call healthy lung. We can call this on healthy lung too. On healthy lung. Okay, this one should be right. This one is healthy, and that is on healthy lung. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is upload image. Now we could take pictures of images, but here we just want to upload image, and I'm going to just navigate to where my files are located. Okay, this is the data set, and control A. Okay, open, and you see. Now one thing we should know that the more the model, the better for us. So let's just load extra additional of that again, and make it 72. So you could, if we add more pictures, we could upload more. And for the LD images, LD longs, I'm going to choose that also. This is an LD. Okay, I'm going to choose this is the LD long. Control A. Okay, now, and then I'm going to repeat that process just to have a little more image for it to work with. Same thing, but just to have a little more to train the model. Now we can add more classes, but here we just want to use it 2 classes. And then you could switch between how you want to train it, but here we want to train it using Python. And you can see there's an advanced option, and then probably you could do that, but right now that's not what we want to do. So we just want to train our model. So let's click on that and hold on for it. This could also take a while, so I might just pause this video until it is done. Okay, so our model is almost done loading. Okay, So it's done loading and it has trained the model, and you can see it said that model accuracy is bad, add some samples. All right, so the idea is you need more pictures, you need more images for better results, you need data, a large data set for better result. But then with this we have gotten, we can still do a whole lot. So now we are going to test our model, and you could also do that by uploading an image or using the webcam. So I'm going to use the webcam and I'm going to search for images on on you on Google. So I'm going to just pause and then look for those images. All right, so I'm going to be doing this with this camera, and let me turn on the webcam. This might go off for a moment, and let me pause this. Okay, we are back. So we'll be using this to check it out, and you can see the percentage is falling more in the LD long. My hand is not stable, so the percentage is falling more in the LD long category. So let me look for another image to check with. Okay, okay, so let's check this also. Oh, it's falling more in the unhealthy long category, more in the unhealthy long category. So you can see how this model has been trained to determine this. So it may not be accurate right now because we didn't use any more so much large data set, but this gives you an idea of how machine learning works and how you could train a model to yield results. So I'm going to export this model, and okay, and then this is the Python code that's responsible for everything you've seen. This is a Python code, so it's using a computer vision 2 module, the CV2, use some NumPy and some TensorFlow for this operation. So this is how your machine learning model typically works. This is how it works, and we could still run it here also. We could run it here also. Could run it. It's supposed to turn on the camera here, or it's supposed to create a separate interface for that. Okay, but basically that's all I want to show you. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.